Hey, here's another truck update. I've got new plugs in, gapped, ready to go. I have fire in my distributor, but for whatever reason I wasn't getting fire out to my plug wires. So I'm going to do one more check. I know my coil's good because I did a little test where I pulled off the coil wire going to the distributor here, and I took a plug wire and plugged into the coil, put a hot on the hot of the coil, and then grounded it, which shot fire to the coil, and then out the secondary, firing the plug. The plug fired, which tells me my coil is good. Thanks to Thunderhead 289 on YouTube for that little tidbit of information. Pretty awesome. Alright, so I know my coil's good, and I had fire in the distributor down there, so it's possible that my condenser's bad. So that's what I've done today. And also, I have a 12-volt battery with a 6-volt coil. This is a ballast resistor, which is junk. Of course, it's 100 years old. It's fried. When we were messing with it the other day, this started smoking. And I took it off and I tested it. There's no continuity, and it doesn't read anything as far as the ohms or no resistance. It's just an open circuit. So I have a brand new ballast resistor. I have brand new wires that are going to go from the coil to the resistor to the hot coming from the key. Here is the new ballast resistor installed with new wire, the green wire going to the key through the firewall, and then the white wire going to the hot on the coil. So there's the new resistor with the new wiring going from the key back down to the resistor, from the battery, etc. I'm going to give the key a quick twirl and see if it works. Distributor's back on. As I stated before, I was able to check the coil, and the coil's good. I'm getting fire from the coil to the distributor right there. And I did a little test just a moment ago after, of course, what I've done is I've rewired, not really rewired, but replaced the wires and replaced the ballast resistor right there. And that green wire is a new wire, and the white wire going down to the coil, new wire. Now, I fired it, and I'm getting spark to my plugs. At least I got fire to the plug in cylinder number 1. So I have fire to my plugs. Hopefully we'll be getting this thing to run pretty soon. Thanks for watching.